The topic here we talk about now is about design and development of an indoor 3D mapping using Lidar. The main objective of this project is how to change any indoor environment. After that, you can see it in 3D map. The purpose of this project is to have different sites, which the application of 3D mapping has a lot in our daily life and also in the future. For example, if you are going to the mall or to the hospital, also sometimes you spend a lot of time when you're looking to your place and your location. For 3D mapping, can give you the 3D map for this building, and also can give you your current location and also your destination to this place in 3D, which will help you like to minimize the time that you spend in the building or in the mall or on the hospital. The second example is the game application. Sometimes when you find in your daily life, you find some building also similar, the same in the game. So this is how it's come. It's come from they change the 3D map, the 3D building. This one after that they transfer it to this game. The third example is self-driving car. Self-driving car, the main concept of self-driving car is used when I know all the object around the car. This is we use the Lidar, and also you need to create or design 3D map around the car to know all the object. The fourth example nowadays we can use it also in coronavirus. The 3D map is very important now, which we can using the Lidar on the 3D map to get the number of people in this building and also the location and also the distance between one people to other people, which we can detect this is the safe range or not. The fifth example is we can use the 3D map also in our daily life when using Google Map. Google Map is show us only the 2D map. But we can sometimes when they use the 3D map to develop this 2D map to 3D map, we give you high accuracy of the map, and also we can reach our destination without lost. As we see in the end, our example now we can decide that 3D mapping using the Lidar is very important in our life and also in the future. But we need to concentrate about two things or two challenges that we're facing to design 3D map in this application. The first one is the cost of the hardware. We need to minimize the cost of the hardware, which less hardware we used in this project also can help us to detect the cost. The second part is the accuracy of the data. It's very important that we need to get high quality data or high accuracy data in this project. To solve this two challenge, we'll use and we now explain our system architecture. The system architecture, as you see in the slide, that we use two hardware only. The first hardware is the Lidar. What's the Lidar? Lidar is light detection and range. This one is like when you send the data or send the light and receive from the object, that after that you change this object to 3D map. The second one is the IMU. IMU is like collecting all the data where there the scanning, and also like help us to get the Z direction of the 3D map, because the 3D is have X and Y and Z, which has help us to get the Z direction. After that, we connected to this one to our system is using Linux, which Linux has contained two libraries. The first library is the ROS. ROS is Robotic Operation System. This robotic operation system helps us to connect the hardware to the software. The second library using Cartographer. Cartographer developed by using Google Map. Google Map developed this library to confirm all the data from the Lidar and the IMU. After that, we can generate accuracy or clear 3D map. This is the end of the project. I hope you get all the idea, and thank you.